How to stop subscriptions on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can stop your subscriptions on Discord, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to stop your subscriptions on Discord, all you have to do is simply open up your Discord app over here. Once you open up your Discord app, just click this gear icon that you can find here, which is the user settings option. So make sure to go to user settings. When you're on user settings, if you look on the left hand side, you'll be able to find this option where it says subscriptions, and then you want to make sure to just click on the subscriptions tab. When you click on the subscriptions option over here, you can see any sort of subscriptions that you have. So if you have a Nitro or if you have any credits, you'll be able to find them, and if you'd like to cancel them, just select a specific one and you should be able to remove them respectively. This way you can remove your subscriptions on your Discord. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.